Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. What you should know before you take the course. You should have a basic working knowledge of using a computer. You should also have a basic working knowledge of using the internet. Who should take the course? This course is designed for beginners to Python, beginners to programming, and beginners to web development. What will you learn on the course? We'll start off by installing Python and PyCharm. We'll then move on to explore if statements. We'll take a look at else statements and also elif statements. We'll take a look at while loops. We'll look at for loops. We'll also look at nested for loops. We'll take a look at break statements, continue statements. We'll also take a look at using the for loop with the range function. So we'll combine that in a statement. The course format is video based and the duration is 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.